Here are all the options that you can see on your i-Cockpit display. We'll start off by minimum, which focuses just barely on the speed. Next we have the personal settings, which I tend to use most often, and we will customize it in the second part of the video. Next we have full screen navigation. If you are using just the Peugeot build navigation, it doesn't work with Waze or any third-party app. Next we have regular dials, and even with dials on, you can still press a button next to the steering wheel to see trip information for a couple of seconds, and then it's gonna go back to the dials. As I mentioned, we are going to adjust our personal settings, so let me move back to personal. And you can control settings of this display by pressing here this option button, then going to options, instrument panel, and you can adjust what you see on the personal mode. For example, you can do navigation and the display will change. You can also do media, press OK, and your radio will display. And here are the other options: engine temperature, or it can be empty. Okay, I'm going to put it back to what I had before. I tend to use trip computer and the counter of RPM. Thank you for watching the video.